Amazon just laid off over 14,000 employees, citing their growing focus on AI and automation. It's a shocking number, but it's not unique. It's part of a much bigger trend. As companies invest more in AI, jobs that used to be safe are getting automated. But here's the good news: not every job is replaceable. In today's Glitch Report, we'll look at 5 AI-resistant careers and the action steps you can take to secure your financial future in the age of AI. The Reality Check Narrator. AI isn't just coming, it's already here. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Midjourney are transforming industries from copywriting to coding. But not all jobs are doomed. The truth? Roles that rely on creativity, emotional intelligence, problem-solving, and human connection are still safe zones, at least for now. So, let's explore 5 AI-resistant career paths and the steps you can take to join them. Step 1. Become a creative strategist, marketing, content, and design. AI can write text and make art, but it can't understand culture, emotion, or timing the way humans do. That's why fields like creative direction, branding, UX design, and marketing strategy remain AI-resistant. AI can assist, but humans drive the narrative. Action step. Learn storytelling, branding psychology, and data-driven marketing. Use AI tools as creative boosters, not crutches. Step 2. Go into human-centered work, healthcare, therapy, education. Anything that involves care, empathy, or teaching is very hard to automate. Nurses, therapists, educators, and coaches rely on genuine human connection. AI can offer support, but it can't replace the warmth of empathy or the trust of a mentor. Action step. Invest in certifications or degrees in counseling, nursing, or digital education platforms. Hybrid jobs, like telehealth or online coaching, are especially promising. Step 3. Get into skilled trades and technical fields narrator. Third, skilled trades are the dark horse of AI resistance. Think electricians, HVAC techs, mechanics, and construction professionals. These jobs require hands-on problem-solving, something AI can't do with a screwdriver. Action step. Explore apprenticeships or trade schools. These fields are in high demand, often pay well, and are far less vulnerable to automation. Step 4. Data and AI oversight roles. The best way to avoid being replaced by AI is to work with it. Jobs like AI ethics officer, data analyst, and prompt engineer are booming. These roles focus on guiding, training, and auditing AI systems, keeping them ethical, accurate, and efficient. Action step. Learn AI literacy. Take short courses on data analysis, prompt design, and machine learning basics. The goal isn't to code, but to understand how AI thinks. Step 5. Build your own brand or business. Build something that's yours. Content creators, consultants, and small business owners who know how to leverage AI tools can create scalable income streams. When you own your platform, you're not waiting for a paycheck, you're generating your own. Start a side hustle using your expertise, YouTube channel, newsletter, or freelance service, and automate the boring parts with AI to scale your time. Wrap up and motivation. Amazon's layoffs are a warning, not a prophecy. The future belongs to those who can adapt, not those who resist change. Focus on learning, diversifying your skills, and staying human. Because while AI is getting smarter, empathy, creativity, and vision will always be human superpowers. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below which of these 5 career paths you're most curious about. Let's future-proof together.